Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall an app on your ZTE Android TV Box. To do it, go to the apps section. You'll see different apps here. Select the one that you want to uninstall, press and hold on the OK button on your remote, and if that app can be uninstalled, because not all can. YouTube, for example, cannot be uninstalled, but Spotify can. So just go down to uninstall once you've pressed and hold on the OK button, then click on OK button, click on OK, and it'll uninstall it. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.